Hello everyone, you're watching Halim Tech YouTube channel and here is Halim Shams. Today we are speaking about and I will show you how you can add this guard icon to your Facebook profile account. Or we have two ways in this tutorial. First of all, we will add this guard icon to our Facebook profile in computer or laptops, and the second way is that we will add this guard icon to our profile of Facebook in mobile phones. If you have this laptop now in your hands, you can start this tutorial from here. Don't skip the video. If you want to add this guard icon to your Facebook via mobile phones, just skip the video and start from the mobile way. Just skip this video to that and start it. And when you start your tutorial, don't skip this video. Step by step follow my tutorial. If you skip, it will not add it for your profile pictures. So don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel first. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel and click the bell icon also, and like my videos. If you have any question about this tutorial, just comment below. So let's start.
Shut up! Tutorial!
Oh my god!
Now here I am in my laptop. So for this you should open your Google Chrome, and don't forget that it's very easy to do this trick in your laptop, and it's so hard in your mobile to do that in your mobile. It will hard for you to do this trick in your mobile, so try to do this in your laptop. So for this you should connect to your Wi-Fi and then open this Google Chrome browser. Now just search for facebook.com. Enter, and you should sign in your Facebook account first. So now here you can log in to your Facebook. Here type your email address, and here type the password of your own account of Facebook. Click on login. So now I will show you that the guard icon is not activated for me. Never black. I will show now my own profile on Facebook that not until activated the guard option or icon for me now. See your profile. Kevin Smith, see your profile here. You can see your profile here, and I will show you that it's not activated for me until the guard icon is not for me activated now. So now here you see that there is not any guard icon that is not activated for me now. So how we can active this guard icon here in my profile? So first of all, don't close this tab, just open new tab and search here for multiple tools for Facebook. Just click the enter, and now the first link is from Chrome Web Store. It is chrome.google.com multiple tools for Facebook. Click on that link, and I have put this link already in my video description. Check it and it will directly open this page for this extension. Now don't forget this icon, this multiple tools for Facebook. Don't forget this icon. This is the official icon that we need for this tutorial. So click on this add to Chrome because this is an extension. Just click this extension to your Google Chrome, and then the download will start. So wait for it. It will take some minutes to download it. It don't have a large size. It's just 1.66 MBs. It's not so large. So when it's done, this will directly open in your Google Chrome. So when it opened, just here we have this bars which says, here we have this option which says tools. Just click on that, and the bottom of this is another option which says profile picture guard. Just we need this one for profile picture guard. Click on that, and here is my profile. Protect your profile picture, prevent others from downloading your profile picture. It will help you that no one can download your profile picture. So for activating this, just click on this shield app. Click on that to activate this icon in your Facebook profile account. Click on that. Yes, shield activated. So now when you click the shield app and done, and here says shield app or shield activated, your Facebook profile picture is now guarded. Click the OK button, and now don't close this tab, just open a new tab and here type for facebook.com. Open your profile. So now when you open your profile picture, here you will see that the guarded icon not shown here. This is the role of the own Facebook, that the guard option or icon will not shown in your browser which you open your Facebook or profile in your browser. So to check it that it's activated or not, just open your Facebook application in your phone and check it. It will show that the guard option is now activated in your Facebook profile. Now let's jump to mobile phone, the way of mobile phone, that how you can do that in your mobile phone. So let's jump to mobile phones. So now in your mobile, you just need an application for it. Just open the Play Store and search for Kiwi browser. search for it, and the first application, which is Kiwi browser fast and quick. Click on that and install this application. And if you don't find that, I have already put this link of this application in my description. Just click on it and it will directly open this application in Play Store. Just click the install button and then we'll start the downloading of this application. So now click on this open button, and first of all, as you see in the laptop, just first of all open this Facebook and log in your Facebook first. Now I will show you that the guard icon is now not activated for me. As you see, I don't have guard icon now. So for activating, just open new tab and search for multiple tools for Facebook. Click the go or search, and then the first link from chrome.google.com of the web store is just click on that, and don't forget this icon of multiple tools for Facebook. This is the official icon of this extension that we need for this trick. So click on this add to Chrome, and here say that web store add multiple tools for Facebook. It can read and change all your data, and on the website that you visit display notifications. Just click this OK button, and then we'll start the downloading of this extension in Kiwi browser. Now it will just, when you download this, it will automatically open in your Kiwi browser. So when it opened, just click on this X button here in the corner, click on that, and we have here an option which says tools. Just click on it, and the bottom of this option which says profile picture guard, just click on it, and here we can active this guard icon for your profile or Facebook. Just here click on this shield app to active your guard option in your Facebook. Now I will show you that what happened now in my Facebook. So just refresh your Facebook. Then here we have this guard option now. So if you don't believe, I will again refresh my page. Now here we see that the guard option is now activated in my Facebook account. So this was today's tutorial. Please subscribe my YouTube channel for more like these tutorials, and like my videos. If you have any problem in this video tutorial, just comment below. I will solve your problem and I will reply you that what you can do with it to solve your problem. So please don't forget the bell icon also. When I upload my new video, the first one will you see my video is you. Goodbye everyone.